Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about a really important topic, and that is how to naturally prevent gum disease and also prevent bad breath using probiotics. We're going to talk a little bit about gum disease. We're going to talk about the factors that cause gum disease and how to prevent it in 5 main steps, and the role of probiotics for helping to both prevent and lessen your chances of having both gum disease and bad breath. So gum disease and bad breath are common oral health issues that can be caused by so many different factors. The main factors that cause gum disease and bad breath include having poor oral hygiene. You have certain medical conditions that can cause you to develop gum disease and have bad breath as well, and also certain medications can be causes for bad breath. So we're going to talk about natural ways to prevent gum disease and bad breath with probiotics. First of all, eating probiotic-rich foods is really important, because probiotics are live microorganisms that are similar to beneficial bacteria that naturally occur in the body. So what eating probiotic-rich foods does, it really helps to restore the balance of good bacteria in the area of the oral, the mouth, the teeth, the gums, and this will help to prevent gum disease and bad breath. So you can stock up on probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, fermented vegetables as well are great examples. I like homemade sauerkraut and also kombucha. You can make all these at home easily, effortlessly, and we'll share many easy recipes that I try for myself and my family in this channel, so stay tuned and subscribe in order to stay updated. Also, you can use a probiotic-rich toothpaste. Some toothpaste brands, they claim to contain probiotics, and I really want to be careful with these, and I want you to ensure that the probiotics that are inside the toothpaste are the right ones and are also efficient as well. So the ones that are high quality, the probiotics inside the toothpaste, what they do is they help to restore the balance of good bacteria in the mouth and prevent gum disease and bad breath as well. You can also try to take probiotic supplements, and this is really important not only for helping to prevent gum disease and also reduce bad breath, but really important for your immune system and important for your gut health as well, because probiotic supplements are important to help to restore gut health, help to restore the good bacteria inside the gut, which helps with overall general health and well-being. Now, you could go for probiotic supplements that are in tablet, capsule, or powder form, and I'd like to focus more on probiotic supplements that are stored in the refrigerator, because they are the ones that are more high quality. They are the ones that contain the live bacteria, and it's also better to get your probiotics sources from live culture, such as the ones that are available in yogurt as well. They're easily available, they're affordable, and you can also make them at home as well. Make your own homemade yogurt using live probiotics that way. I also want you to focus on drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated that way, because it's really important to stay hydrated to help flush the bacteria and other toxins out of the mouth, which may prevent gum disease and bad breath as well. So I want you to aim to drink at least 8 ounces of water per day, and that can include also antibacterial, antifungal, and antiseptic herbal teas. Maybe some stinging nettle tea with some cloves as well, both anti-inflammatory and antiseptic, great for oral health, great as a preventative as well for oral problems. I also want you to practice good oral hygiene. This is a must for all conditions. Brush your teeth twice a day with a toothpaste. You can use a activated charcoal based toothpaste. You can use an antimicrobial mouthwash used to kill bacteria and freshen the breath as well. Now, probiotics are a wonderful way to both maintain general health as also to help in kind of preventing and combating bad breath as well, but you should not use them as the main substitute for good oral health. You should use them along with a healthy diet, along with regular dental checkups. If you have any concerns for gum disease or chronic bad breath, it's really important to speak with a dentist for personalized recommendations on your specific issue as well. We're not able to diagnose, we're not able to treat, but we're able to arm you with the right information to make an informed decision, and also see your dentist for a personalized checkup and a diagnosis. If you enjoyed today's video, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.